Rubber bands can stretch to 3 times their original length, storing up to 90% of their energy for potential release. Imagine a tiny, flexible strip of rubber that can store an impressive amount of energy. This seemingly simple device is a rubber band, and its unique properties make it a fascinating subject for exploration. Rubber bands have been a staple in everyday life for centuries, used for everything from holding together small packages to providing a fun and creative way to express oneself. But have you ever stopped to think about how rubber bands actually work? What makes them so flexible and able to store energy? The answer lies in the rubber band's molecular structure, which is made up of long chains of molecules that are able to stretch and flex. When you stretch a rubber band, you are essentially creating tension in these molecular chains, causing them to align in a specific direction. But that's not the strangest part. The tension in the rubber band is actually what allows it to store energy. This phenomenon occurs when the rubber molecules are aligned in a specific way, creating a sort of tension reservoir that can be released when the rubber band is stretched or snapped. But what happens when you release the tension in a rubber band? The energy that was stored in the tension is released rapidly, causing the rubber band to snap back into place. This is known as the elastic rebound of the rubber band, and it's a critical component of how rubber bands work. The elastic rebound of a rubber band is so powerful that it can store up to 90% of its original energy. To put that in perspective, if you were to snap a rubber band with the same force as 1 billion nuclear bombs, it would release an enormous amount of energy. But the rubber band wouldn't just snap back into place. It would actually rebound with a force that's equivalent to 1 billion nuclear bombs. This is why rubber bands are so useful in a variety of applications, from simple household tasks to complex scientific experiments. So the next time you use a rubber band, remember the incredible science behind it and the potential power that's stored in that tiny, flexible strip of rubber. Rubber bands are a fascinating example of the incredible engineering that goes into everyday objects. Their unique properties make them an essential component of many different industries and applications. From simple household tasks to complex scientific experiments, it's critical no role in getting the job wonder done. And with their incredible flexibility and energy storing capabilities, it's critical no role in getting the job wonder done that rubber bands have been a staple in everyday life for centuries. But there's more to rubber bands than just their practical applications. They also have a rich history and cultural significance.
In many cultures, rubber bands are seen as a symbol of creativity and self-expression.
They are often used in art projects and crafts, where their flexibility and durability make them the perfect material. Rubber bands have even been used in music and dance, where their unique sound and feel make them an essential component of many performances. So the next time you use a rubber band, remember the incredible science, history, and cultural significance behind it. And who knows, you might just discover a new appreciation for the humble rubber band. If you found this fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Want more mind-blowing facts like this? Hit subscribe and join our journey of discovery.